Hey guys, this is Giridhar for G-Phone Tech. Truly wireless Bluetooth earphones are the future. Many audio brands have introduced these kinds of earphones, and one more have also introduced stylish, truly wireless earphones. One more is a brand that is known for fine design quality and also amazing sound quality. Let us find out if these qualities have been passed on to their new premium Bluetooth stylish true wireless earphones. One more truly wireless earphones. Let's check out what's there in the box before we explore the earphones. We get a charging case, pair of earphones, charging cable, it's a micro USB cable, 3 pairs of extra ear tips and 2 pairs of extra ear hooks. We also get a carrying pouch, user manual and also quick start guide. The charging case actually looks like a pebble. It is available in 4 different colors and I have the matte black, which looks extremely sleek. The design and the looks are refined. It has one LED indicator on the front to indicate the charging status, but it lacks any other mechanism to find out the charge levels. It is charged by a micro USB port. It does not come with USB Type-C or wireless charging, which is a bit of a bummer for its price range. It is small and easy to carry along. The case does not have Bluetooth to connect to your mobile phone like in Airpods or Galaxy Buds. The locking mechanism is flawless. It has magnetic suction to keep the earbuds in place while charging. It has a 410 mAh battery to charge the earbuds almost 4 times. If the case looks like a pebble, the earbuds look like pearls. This is nature-inspired product designing. The material used here is plastic, but it is of very high quality. The 7nm dynamic driver is angled at a direction predicted to fit the ears. It has rubber hooks and tips. It has LED lights to indicate the status. It is sweat-proof and sadly does not have any kind of IP rating. It weighs about 52 grams and very light and comfortable to wear. The earbuds fit perfectly in the ears. You will have to choose the right size of ear tips and ear hooks. I have used it in the gym and I regularly use it on my jogging routines. I find it very comfortable and does not give you a feeling that it may fall off. It has a physical button, one each at the top of the earbuds. Single tap to play, pause to attend the calls, double tap to skip the track forward and triple tap to go back. It also invokes virtual assistant on your mobile phone. It does not have a volume control but very practical in terms of location of the control buttons. It supports Bluetooth 5.0, it has a range of 10 meters, it can be paired with multiple devices seamlessly. The one more stylish true wireless earphones have Qualcomm aptX and AAC codec compatibility. It does not have active noise cancellation, but the passive noise cancellation and MEMS microphone helps in audio calls. It can also be used as mono earphones. It works on the master-slave mechanism. One more stylish true wireless earphones are the best sounding earphones which I have tried till date. The bass or the low notes on the One More is rich and distinct. The mid-tones are clear and crisp. The high notes are distinct and sharp sounding. It has a wide sound staging and overall, it has a balanced sound frequency. In simple words, One More stylish true wireless earphones have rich sound experience that delivers clear music across all genres. The case has fast charging. It can charge the earbuds in 15 minutes to give you 3 hours of music time. The earbuds last for about 5 to 6 hours on single charge at 80% volume. It can be charged 4 times with a case, keeping it truly wireless for about 24 hours of continuous usage. One more stylish true wireless earphones is currently priced at around 7,000. You can get it for a bit less than that in some websites. Also look out for some deals on Amazon and One More website. It is a premium product and for the price you get a superior design, excellent ergonomics, reliable battery life, rich sound experience and all from a reliable brand with 1 year of warranty. I would highly recommend the One More stylish truly wireless earphones. It gives you better value for money and better sound quality compared to the Airpods or Galaxy Buds at half their price tag. I hope you like this video. If you like to watch more of my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel G-Phone Tech. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.